might get messy. Oh my goodness, guys. I wasn't gonna film, but I decided I kind of had to show you if this corn was good or not. Now, the reason I didn't want to film is because of my right eye. If you don't already see it, please stop acting like you don't. Please stop, because I know you see it. I see it. I know we're working on it. I'm on antibiotics and everything. But let's just take a seat on the floor because this might get messy. Oh my goodness, guys. Like, you know I was serious. Look at all that shopping. At Walmart, I was serious about this mission. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is very random, but I decided I wanted to make elotes with hot Cheetos. I had them recently, so I looked up pretty much every single recipe I can think of to see if I could recreate how to make this delicious corn in a cup, aka elotes. So I'm going to show you how I do that today. Now, first things first, I'm going to wash my corn. Before I do that though, I'm going to wash this sink. So let's get this started. Then I'm gonna wash my hands. I have never washed corn before. So if anybody's watching this and they've never done this before, just know I've never done it before either. We'll see how long this takes. Prize. Is there even corn in this?
Okay, that's the corn, guys.
Woo! We got to the corn.
Now, from the videos I watched, I think people are just washing like this. They're just taking out the thing at once.
Oh shit. And that is why you clean. As of right now, it's looking good. I have another one, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that one done. And we'll be right back. Okay, so I gave my corn another wash. I was gonna cut them, but honestly, it was not working. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them into my pot. I just now have it going at a boil now, so once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in. I have my corn over there waiting for this to come to a boil. Now, when it comes to the ingredients, I need to grab my mayonnaise. I am not too sure if this is gonna come out the way I want it, but it seemed super easy from the recipes that I saw, so we're just gonna have some fun and hope and pray that this comes out great. I have not tried these, so I think it'll be a great addition to the hot Cheetos that we'll add in. Ooh, I'm excited. Now my biggest issue is this pot is not big enough, okay? And I'm gonna show you. Oh my gosh, it actually went in. Okay, well, I don't think this one will fit. Let's see. Oh man. Oh man. Like, I don't have one of those big pots. I'm like, we're just gonna have to work with what we got here, which is, oh, ow! Okay, just close it. Alrighty. Close that up, and we'll be back to see how it looks. Alright, so I only had it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're really not supposed to boil fresh corn no longer than 5 minutes, supposedly. First thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab my corn. I just went ahead and got some toothpicks just so it would be easier for me to hold. And because I didn't put any butter into the boiling pot, I'm just gonna layer it with butter now. Oh, this is gonna be very hot, so be careful. Ooh. I'm gonna mix the Mexican table cream with the mayonnaise on a plate. And I'm gonna use this little tool here. So next, first thing, we're gonna go ahead and grab our mayonnaise. In this case, there we go. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna get some of our table cream, Mexican table cream, which I've never used before. I'm actually nervous. I'm like, what if it doesn't taste the same? What if it, like, I don't know, but that's why you guys are joining the ride to see how this goes. Ooh, this is not as thick as the mayonnaise. All right, that one is definitely done. All right. I guess this is melted squeezed on butter. I really don't know. I just know that it's always added, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it. I think you're supposed to add it before I just did everything I did, but oh well. Let's just see what happens. Okay, first. Ooh, okay, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna add it on one since now I know what the consistency is like. This is a mess. I'm not gonna use a different plate. I'm gonna use the exact same plate. We are not doing all that. I don't even remember what the cheese is called. I think it's called Cochito, something with a C is the type of cheese you're supposed to use. I'm using Parmesan cheese instead. It normally comes in like a little, you know, bottle. This was the only one they had, so we're gonna use these packets. And then of course, we have our cayenne, chili pepper, and lemon pepper right here. And I'm not gonna add those until the last. And then of course our Valentina. Is this Valentina? Yes, Valentina. I am so nervous because I'm just like hoping it tastes exactly the way I want it to taste. So we're gonna put the Parmesan on there. I really want it on there, but we're gonna see what we can do. I'm sure it'll taste great. Okay, that one is done. Let's see if I can get this opened. Oh, look at that. I wish I could get more out of these packets, but I'm complaining. All right. So this is how it's looking right now. I know you probably can't see that. I'll go ahead and move it into the light. Looking pretty scrumptious. Ooh, I am a fan. Okay, I want to put some more, don't mind my mess here. I'm gonna put some more seasoning on it. So we got some cayenne pepper. Definitely want that. And chili powder. And some lemon. right, guys. This is our famous elotes. Look at that. I mean, look at my kitchen. It's a mess, but look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Now, we're not done, obviously, because the best part is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these opened up and crushed up, and oh, I'm so excited. So there you have it. Regular elotes and then elotes with hot Cheetos. It was not that hard to make. Definitely is gonna be delicious. I can already smell the Mexicano fragrances just coming off of this.
I'm so excited to try it.
If you're wondering how I got all of the hot Cheetos crunched up, this is how messy it looks. Yeah, so pro tip for sure, get a bag and just bang it. I didn't do that, clearly. However, I still came up with this. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you have any other recipes that are just bomb and you want me to try, let me know as well, because this one I randomly had in deep alum. I didn't even think it would be this easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, take some pictures, and I'll let you know how it was. This is good. Y'all gonna make this right now. Y'all gonna make this right now.
Y'all gonna make this right now.
You guys gotta go make this right now. It don't even take that long. Go make it. Seriously? Oh my God. I mean, I will critique myself on this. I put way too many seasonings. But like, I like it. It's like a tingling on my tongue. And I needed something good and comforting because I'm not feeling so fly. Like, edges on oomph, eye on who, when, where, how many condoms. Like, oh my God. Thanks for watching, guys. I almost forgot our Valentina. I think I'm only gonna put it on this one. Just a couple dots.